Import your picture. Rasterize the picture. To cut out the background, just follow these easy steps. Now go to blending mode and tick stroke. Select the size you want and click OK. Click on the ellipse tool and draw a circle by holding the Shift on the keyboard. Now place the picture layer above the circle or shape layer. Create a clipping mask. Rasterize the picture. Click on the layer mask and click on Apply Mask. Move your cursor to image and then move it to adjustment. Select black and white and make sure the layer you want to apply the black and white effect on is selected. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe.